In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Canon R5, which I'm using in less than an hour on my first test shoot. And I'll be sharing the unboxing with you today and my initial reactions to using the camera tomorrow. This video today is going to be a little bit different than all the other videos I've made because I've actually never done an unboxing video. I'm really excited and nervous right now because the FedEx man just delivered my new Canon R5 and I haven't even taken it out of the box. So I'm going to go through the process of taking it out step by step with you guys, and we'll go on this journey together. So the first thing that caught my attention was this R on top of the box, which is a totally new thing, at least for me. Probably some of you have an R or an RP and maybe it came with this on there, but that did sort of surprise me when I opened up the package. So let's go ahead and open up the top of it and see what's inside. And I'm shaking a little bit. Okay, so the first thing is this very useless warranty card, which I'm sure nobody is going to fill out, including me. Then a manual, which I think is about 900 pages long. I'm definitely not going to read it, but I probably will read a few things like the autofocus section, which I think is going to be new to me. I did use my friend's R a few weeks ago on a shoot, and I did really like using the iFocus. It was great. I love the fact that it was playing back for me the images as I took them, and I'm also looking forward to that and the fact that I think I'm going to be able to shoot in a 4:3 format, which will make it a lot easier when I'm shooting and thinking about that Instagram crop, because 4:3 is pretty close to 8:10. I really wish they'd made it 8:10, but here we are. So the first thing here on top is the new battery. Go ahead and open that up. I think, as I heard online, it has a little bit of a different paint color right here, so you can see that. Not too interesting. Then it looks like there is a USB-C to USB-C cable, fairly short for tethering, and this little cord keeper right here. A lot of people that I know, I talked to about this this thing that has come with a lot of, I know it came with the 5D Mark IV, for instance, and I'm pretty sure it came with the 1DX Mark II, and a lot of people don't know that this is in there to keep you from pulling the cord out while you're tethering. And I'll go ahead and hold this up really close to the camera that's above me so you guys can kind of see what it looks like up close. So this is something, if you're not familiar with it, it's a great thing. And while we're at it, I'll go back to the battery so you guys can get a close-up of that as well. Then it's just the charger, like the charger we've had on all of the 5D cameras so far. That's in there. Definitely don't need this plastic thing. Okay, I'm actually going to use this R5 strap, and I haven't used the strap from the manufacturer in quite some time, but I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, and now the pièce de la résistance, the actual camera, with the seal attached. I'll go ahead and get this box out of the way. Nice and squeaky clean. Here it is. I'm very excited to be using this now. Okay, let's see. So if we take the cap off, first thing we're gonna see is that the shutter is in there. It's pretty close to the outside, which I think we're not quite used to seeing. And then I'll put the cap back on so it stays nice and clean. The newly redesigned top, of course. And then, let's see what the screen looks like if we take it out. That's interesting. I'll probably be keeping it in this position most of the time. I don't really know if I want to get it scratched all the time. Maybe I will fold it up when I put it back in the bag, but probably when I'm shooting I'll have it like this. But I guess I wonder if like my nose pressing up against it or something is going to change the focus all the time. I guess we'll have to see about that. Opening up the side here, now you can see the CF slot and also the SD slot. I mostly expect that for stills I'm going to be using the SD slot, but I guess we'll find out what ends up being the case as time goes by. And let's go ahead and flip it over to the other side. Let's check out these other ports. I just discovered that this was going to be a micro HDMI port on the side here. I had to have my friend bring over a cable. I'm actually going to do a test shoot today. I'm very excited about that. In just under an hour, I'll be having a model and a stylist and my friend here to shoot video. And I'm not really sure how this is going to go when I start using the camera for the first time, but I'm going to race to get the autofocus settings set up and make sure the playback is happening in the window. And my friend is being nice enough to bring his micro HDMI cable so that I can use that this evening. But I'm really excited to get going using this camera for stills. Just to follow through, there is a mic port and a headphone port and the PC socket. I actually was talking to my friend today about PC sockets. He's new to being a still photographer and mostly does video, and he actually didn't know that this little guy here on the side is for old school manual flash photography when you just are using a hard cable. But anyway, guys, I think that about settles it. I've got a grip coming tomorrow. My initial reaction to holding the camera in my hand is that my pinky isn't hanging off the bottom as I thought it. Well, it might end up there when I'm shooting when I have a little bit of weight on the front, but so far it feels pretty good. And overall, I'm just excited to put this thing to work and see what the sensor can do today. So again, I'm going to shoot this, do a photo shoot tonight. Hopefully tomorrow I'll post a video with my initial reactions, and then within about a week or so, I hope to put a full review out. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And if you're watching this on Instagram TV, just know that you can always get a better experience on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for your time. Stay safe and have a great day.